Let's simplify 3 times the quantity 6 plus 2. Remember parameters and do inside parentheses first. Add 6 and 2, and then multiply by 3. The answer is 24. Pretty easy. There's a long method of doing this problem. The parentheses around the quantity 6 plus 2 tell us to multiply each term inside the parentheses by 3. This is the same as 18 plus 6, or 24. This is the same result we got by doing parameters. Though both the short and long method give the same answer, it's important to learn them both. To see why, let's work this problem. In parameters, we start with the parentheses, but don't be answer-driven, be thinking-driven. Notice that we can't combine 4x and 2 or 5x and 5. It's like having apples and oranges inside the parentheses. So we leave the parentheses alone and continue through parameters. There are no exponents, radicals, or absolute values, but there are multiplications. To multiply, we must use the longer method. We multiply each term inside the parentheses by the outside number. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. And negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. We combine like terms. 12x minus 10x is 2x. Negative 6 plus 10 is 4. 2x plus 4 is a simplified form of this expression. If simplifying changes the form, but not changes the form, but not the meaning of an expression, we should be able to check by substituting an arbitrary number for x. Let's try replacing x with 3. Here's the original expression. We'll change every x to the number 3. Now we can multiply. We'll apply parameters to combine the numbers inside the parentheses. We're close to the answer. Multiply and subtract. The answer is 10. Now we'll do the same with the simplified expression. Replace the x with a 3 and combine. The answer is 10. We simplified correctly. This problem is a bit different. When there's a negative sign next to the parentheses, it's the same as multiplying by a negative 1. We simplify by multiplying first, then adding or subtracting like terms. We'll follow the steps to simplify this expression. First, we multiply using Rule 1 of exponents. Multiply coefficients and add exponents of like factors. Then we add or subtract like terms. The answer is 0.